काफिला बुलंद हो हौसला, दस्तक दे रही है कोई नई सुबह। सामने है रे गुजर एक नया है आगाज, उम्मीदों के पंख पे हमने ली है परवाज़। उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां, उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां। International Indian icon, 3i, International Indian icon.
नमस्कार, प्रणाम, love you, my 3i mates. Actually, you see, there was a gap between episode 9 and episode 10. And during that gap, I was thinking, these kids, these youngsters, how they have actually made themselves so professionally equipped to sing these beautiful Bollywood numbers. इनकी माता जी, इनके पिताजी, इनके दादा, इनके दादी के समय के गाने वो इतनी खूबसूरती से गाते हैं। कमाल है इन बच्चों का, और कमाल है उन सभी संगीतकारों का, उन सभी लिरिसिस्ट का जिन्होंने ये म्यूजिक क्रिएट किया। आज बरसों तक उनका म्यूजिक सुना जाता है, ये बच्चे गाते हैं और हम सभी पूरी दुनिया में बैठ के उनके गीतों को एंजॉय करते हैं। थैंक्स टू यू किड्स, यू आर सो वंडरफुल। कमाल करते हो आप लोग। और इसी वजह से हम एपिसोड 10 में आ गए, और मैं ये जानता हूं कि उधर जतिन पंडित जी और डॉक्टर संधू दोनों वेट कर रहे होंगे कि ये वाली जो म्यूजिकल जर्नी इन बच्चों ने शुरू की है, इन जूनियर्स की, 3i कैटेगरी, कहने के लिए ये जूनियर्स हैं, ये तो बाबा हैं, बहुत बहुत ही बड़े, ये तो कलाकार हैं ये लोग। तो मैं इन सभी छोटी उम्र के बड़े कलाकारों को आमंत्रित करता हूं कि आइए और एपिसोड 10 में मुझे और आपको इस म्यूजिकल जर्नी में आगे लेके जाए। Thank you so much. Let's go straight into the proceedings of Season 4 2020 in episode 10. Here we go.
All right, friends, after this scintillating performance, let's move on to our next performer of the evening. Andrea Gerald from Beaverton, Oregon.
तिनका जरा जरा है रोशनी से जैसे भरा भरा हर दिल में आरामा होते तो है हर दिल में आरामा होते तो है बस कोई समझे जरा.
Very nice. May we have Andrea with us on stage, please? Hi, Andrea. This is Ajay Kumar. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Very nice. Very nice. Andrea, what, 13 years old?
Yeah, 13.
And is this one of your favorite songs? Tinka Tinka?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite songs. I
One of
like
your
it really
favorite.
much.
Very nice. Very nice. So if you're okay, we'll go to our judges and take their inputs and feedback on your performance. Shall
Yeah,
we?
sure.
Okay, let's go to Dr. Sandhu first. क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर आप इस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में?
Yeah, Andrea, बहुत ही अच्छी performance थी. I mean, I really enjoyed every bit of it. You know, sometimes the choice of song is very important too, I think. I mean, I could see, you know, you did justice to this song. But one thing I would recommend is, you know, like when you're in a competition, right? I mean, you need to show your best. You need to put your best foot forward, okay? So the selection sometimes is a big, you know, because we are only listening one song, okay? So based on that, we have to make our recommendations. But I could see you are a great singer. You have a good background. I mean, I couldn't find any fault, but I don't know, like compared with other level of other, how are we going to evaluate you on that, right? So that's my dilemma, okay? But keep it up. You're great. I mean, all these things, they're going to give you some tips what to do next, you know, okay? But keep it up. You are great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sandhu ji. Jatin sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
बस इतना भोला मासूम बच्चा है ये, इसके लिए तो बस तारीफ करनी चाहिए इसकी.
Absolutely.
इतना प्यारा मासूम चेहरा है इसका, ऐसा लगता है इसको अडॉप्ट कर लूं मैं. हाँ, बहुत बोल्ड आवाज है इसकी, अच्छी आवाज है और अच्छी कोशिश है और बहुत कम उम्र है. शी इज hardly how you must be around 13 years. So it's a now the flame has just started. Now it's going to take a very vishal roop, and there is a lot more to achieve in life. God bless you.
We wish you all the very best. Take care and all the very best. Look forward to seeing more and more performances from you as we move along. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, let's move on to our next performer, Rishika Gote. We're going to have the performance first and then we're going to talk to Rishika. May we have the performance, please? we have Rishika with us on the stage, please? Hi, Rishika. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm well. How are you?
Very nice, very nice. Rishika, where are you based out of?
I'm coming from New Jersey.
If you're okay, Rishika, we're going to go to our judges and take their inputs and guidance on your performance. Jatin sir,
Yes, absolutely.
look forward to your feedback, sir.
I really enjoyed. Felt so happy with your singing. You keep working hard, beta. The hard
Thank
working
you,
is
thank you
something
so much.
very, very helpful all through your life.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you, Jatin sir. All right, moving on. आप लोगों ने कभी सोचा है सर कि कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक और बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक को मिला दिया जाए, एक फ्यूजन किया जाए, तो कैसे साउंड करेगा? Our next
Wow.
performer, Raghuram Subramanian. He's going to be performing a medley combining a Carnatic Ujjaini on Rag Yaman and Ghar Se Nikalte Hi on the Bollywood song. May we have the performance, please?
उज्जयिनी नित्य कल्याणी ओम शक्ति 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 उज्जयिनी नित्य कल्याणी घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर पहली दफा मैंने जब उसको देखा तो सांसें गई ये ठहर रहती है दिल में मेरे कैसे बताऊं उसे मैं तो नहीं कह सकता कोई बता दे उसे घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर उसकी गली मैं ढली कितनी शामें मेरी देखे कभी वो जो मुझे खुशू में इतने में ही मैंने तभी के सौ ज़माए जाके उसे ना कुछ बोल पाए बैठे रहे हम रात भर जो पास जाता हूँ सब भूल जाता हूँ मिलती है जब ये नजर घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर
Hi,
Yeah, hello.
Raghu.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing really good.
Very nice. Which city are you based out of?
I'm based out of a suburb of Chicago, Illinois. So it's actually in Indiana, right on the border.
Right on the border of Indiana. Okay, I'm in the suburbs of Chicago as well. Very nice. I'm in Naperville. Okay, so Raghuram, we'll go to our judges to take inputs. And as far as I am concerned, as an audience, I found your voice so sweet.
Yeah,
And here
thanks.
we call it सच्चे सुर लगना. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि the सुर जो लग रहे थे काफी सच्चे, honest kind of सुर you were touching. But let's go to our judges. We'll go to Dr. Sandhu first. क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर आप इस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में?
Maybe I think let's hear from Jatin ji first.
Okay.
देखिए क्या है कि साउथ का जो कलर है वो बड़ा बड़ा गहरा है। अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो तो इसने जो हिंदी गाना गाया है उसमें भी जो पहरावा है उसका साउथ इंडियन कर दिया था इसने।
सही है।
वो जगहें वगैरह उसको एकदम इसने, लेकिन उसको उसका जो ब्रिज बनाया इसने वो बहुत खूबसूरत बात है।
Absolutely.
इसने देखिए इसको ट्रेनिंग मिल रही है, ये बात तो समझ में आती है। एंड ही इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इन साउथ इंडियन सिंगिंग, आई बिलीव, एंड he should pursue South Indian singing. Why not? Tell me why not?
Absolutely.
South India is by itself is a very, very big industry and very popular industry. Lot of creative people have come from that state.
Absolutely.
So I think you should fully, and even if you have only sung South Indian song, it would have added to your credit. Very nice. You pursue. I personally suggest that you should only pursue South Indian singing, although with the same surname, a very, very great singer Balasubramaniam Saab used to sing Hindi songs also, South Indian also, Tamil, Telugu, everything.
Absolutely.
So you should follow his path and proceed. You have got a nice voice, pitching was very nice, everything, whatever you did was absolutely good, and just pursue what your gut feeling says.
Yeah, was it like was it my diction that was pretty that sounded like South Indian? Does it like that?
No. Diction was not the problem. जैसे घर से निकल के कुछ दूर चल के ही, the South Indian accent was there in all the murki and harkat, and I don't blame that. That is not bad. Please don't get me wrong. That is not bad at all. That is by itself is the authenticity of what you are learning. You have to have a confidence on what you are learning. You are learning correct thing and you should pursue that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jatin sir.
Yeah, thank you so much for the great feedback.
इनके माँ बाप ने इन बच्चों के पीछे बहुत मेहनत की है, ये बात नजर आती है।
Absolutely.
बहुत ईमानदारी से मेहनत की है, बच्चों को अच्छा सिखाया है इन्होंने।
Correct.
देखिए अमेरिका में रह के हिंदी वगैरह थोड़ी तो बदलेगी, ये तो सही है, उसके बावजूद भी इतना अच्छा गा रहे हैं बच्चे।
I hear you loud and clear, sir.
Yes.
It goes to a lot of values being instilled in the kids by the parents.
Yes.
A lot of hard work goes behind that. It's not easy.
And all the parents has to be, acknowledged. They have to be respected for what they are doing for their kids.
Absolutely. A big round of applause for all the parents and their gurus. Amazing. Okay, let's move on to our next performer, Pranav Arkatala from Suwannee, Georgia.
सारी सनी धनी सरी सनी सरी सनी धनी नी धनी नी धनी मददा मददा मदा करिगा मदनी लीलगा पुहुदुगाली कियुगा కలిగిన తలపులవల పులురేగా కలిగిన తలపులవల పులురేగా ఊగిపోవు మది ఉయ్యాలగా చంపాడగా
Okay, this brings us to our last performance for the evening. We have Aditya Karthik, who's going to join us from Georgia. Very nice. May we have Aditya with us on the stage, please?
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
The Shiva Shankari song was actually the song that I was going to sing for the grand finale. So I think I sent the wrong cheat sheet. I'm sorry about that.
No worries at all. No worries at all, Aditya. So how old are you, Aditya?
I'm 12 right now.
12. Okay, and are you learning Carnatic music?
Yeah.
You are. Are you also learning violin? Is that correct?
Yes, I'm learning violin.
Both Carnatic and Western?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Achha, just tell me one thing. I mean, today also we heard lot many South Indian singers. So they normally, when they learn singing, they also learn violin. What is the reason?
I think it's because they usually play violin like a vocal instrument, like it's really melodious and it goes really well with the singing. So I think that's the main reason why.
Okay, that sounds good. Very nice, very nice. You are on the right track and you're learning very nicely. And for 12 years, you took Sargam, you took Taan. Dekho, there is, when the cars, if Lamborghini and ordinary car, when both are on the street, no matter which one is more expensive, but when the signal comes, everybody becomes same. So, little bit here and there is no problem. The idea is that you have to be on the right track, and you are on the right track. And lots of congratulations to your parents. They are helping you. They are helping you to pursue this singing, and I'm sure that one day you will be sitting on the judge's chair and you will be judging.
Wow.
You see, I'm mesmerized. Seriously, I'm mesmerized. And I wish कि ये समय अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ होता इस एपिसोड का, लेकिन क्या करूं, एपिसोड भी तो समय से बद्ध है, समय से बंधा हुआ है। आप भी समय से बंधे हुए हैं, मैं भी समय से बंधा हुआ हूं। तो एक काम करते हैं कि समय को अभी यहीं पर रोक कर आने वाले समय के लिए अपने आप को तैयार करते हैं। Let's wait and let's come back again in the episode 11 of Sweet.